Hey there, welcome back to Money Matters Made Easy. I'm Izzy, your host, and today we're diving into a topic that might surprise you: financial feng shui at home. Now, you might be wondering what feng shui has to do with money, but trust me, it's all about creating a positive and harmonious environment that can actually impact your financial well-being. So, let's start with the basics. Feng shui is an ancient Chinese practice that focuses on the flow of energy, or qi, in our surroundings. By arranging and organizing our spaces in certain ways, we can enhance the positive energy and attract abundance into our lives. When it comes to financial feng shui, there are a few key principles to keep in mind. First, declutter your space. Clutter can block the flow of energy and create stagnant energy, which can hinder your financial growth. So take some time to clear out any unnecessary items and create a clean and open space. Next, let's talk about the wealth corner. In feng shui, the southeast corner of your home is considered the wealth corner. By enhancing this area with symbols of abundance, such as a money plant or a wealth bowl, you can invite prosperity into your life. Another important aspect is the placement of your desk or workspace. Position it in a way that allows you to see the entrance of the room, as this symbolizes being in control of your finances and opportunities coming your way. Lastly, incorporate the 5 elements of feng shui: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water into your space. Each element represents different aspects of life, including wealth. By balancing these elements, you can create a harmonious environment that supports your financial goals. Now, I know this might sound a bit out there for some of you, but there's no harm in giving it a try. Even if you're skeptical, creating a clean and organized space can have a positive impact on your mindset and overall well-being. Remember, financial feng shui is just one tool in your toolbox for creating a healthy relationship with money. It's all about being mindful and intentional with your surroundings. So, take some time this week to assess your space and see if there are any changes you can make to enhance the flow of energy and invite abundance into your life. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Thanks for tuning in to Money Matters Made Easy, and I'll see you next time with more practical and empowering financial advice. Stay positive and keep striving for financial well-being.